Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So we're doing our second premium unboxing for BoxyCharm. I will go and show you the other box once we unopen this and compare both boxes to see which one is better. So I do pay for both. If you guys do not know, I have two accounts. I wish BoxyCharm would send me PR, but they do not. But I do like to get two boxes. That way, any extras I can sell on Mercari and try to make some money back for all these boxes. So, like I said, we will go over and the other box after we open this one to see, you know, compare which one you guys think is better or which one I think is better. And let's go ahead and get into this one. This one is $35 if you guys were unaware for any reason. Just so you know, 6 to 7 full-size items, I believe. I think I'm sure on that one. So let's get into it, you guys. All right, so this feels a little bit more puffy than the other one did. So maybe there's some different things in here. I hope there is. So when you open it, it is blue, has the premium. That is what I see. I already see one repeat item, but that's okay. I expect that. Bubbles and glitz. And we have a variation number 3. And if you watched my other box, the variation for that box is number 4. So this ought to be interesting. At least we know we don't have the same variation, but we have 3 and 4. So first things first, we have this palette right here, which is really pretty. Absolutely love it. I just don't like how it's all very light shades, so a darker complexion skin tone would not get any use out of this palette. I think my suspicions are true that this is the only color that they have out, because it is the same exact color story as the one that I just got. Let me show you really quickly what the inside looks like so you guys know, just in case you didn't see it. And there are the colors. I will be putting this one aside. Like I said, I already had the other one, and I think it's beautiful. It is really pretty. I can't wait to use it. But let me read real quick what it says. Where are you? True and luscious Lucky Glow palette. This anytime, anywhere summer essentials palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look, valued at $46. I'm excited for this. I can't wait to use it, and I will have to let you guys know, but I am disappointed that I don't believe there's any other shades other than this one. But moving on, let's not dwell on that like I did in the last video. All right, this looks different from when I looked at the other one. I think it's a different color. So the other one, I had said that I thought it was a face cream, and it ended up being an eye cream. So maybe this is the face cream. Oh, it is. Okay. So we have the Elemis. The other one was a face cream, which I'll show you, or not face cream, eye cream. I will show you at the end. But this one is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. Bougie. Bougie. All right, so the super cooling gel mask glides onto skin, creating a veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking, valued at $65. The eye cream was actually more expensive than this. I mean, I'm not upset about that at all. I'm excited to see Elemis, full-size Elemis in our BoxyCharm. So, you know, I love Elemis products. So pretty and purple. I love it. Love it. All right, let's see what it smells like. Hopefully it doesn't smell like anything. The other one was bright yellow. Okay, this one's like a bluish purple. And there's what it looks like. It does have a little bit of a smell to it, but it's not a bad smell. It's like a clean smell. I'm excited for this because I love Elemis. I absolutely do. Okay, and it goes right in. No problems, no tackiness, right in. Okay, you guys, I'm excited that I have a face one and an eye one. I couldn't believe it. I never get that lucky. It's Christmas, that's why, right? Doubt it. Anyway, moving on. We have another Viseart palette. And this one is the Neutral Mattes M-I-L-I-E-U. I don't know why. 1412 eyeshadow pan. Why does it say that? I don't know why it says that. But anyway, this palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating a striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 Natural Mattes palette and is inspired by the concepts of, there's that M-I-L-I-E-U, whatever that means. Centeredness in your environment, add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look with this luxurious assortment of natural hues, from pale chiffon to a warm cocoa and fuchsia dahlia, that complement all skin tones beautifully, valued at $80. That was a mouthful. And I really like this color story. So there are those. They are all mattes, like it said. I'm excited for this, actually. I want to see what these two dark purples look like. So let's swatch. Actually, you know what? I'm going to swatch. Let's see. I'm going to swatch 4 of them. So we'll do this purple here, this blue, and then this purple, because purples are hard to formulate and I want to see how well BoxyCharm did. Look at that pigment. I'm sure they did fantastic. Yeah, there's no really skipping there. They are dry. It's a very dry kind of matte shade. It's not like very buttery, so it should blend very easily. One swipe swatches, you don't see, like I said, any skipping or patchiness. That is definitely going to stain. Let me get a wet wipe to try to get that off. Okay, it did stain a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm excited for that. I mean, I think Premium is blowing it out of the water this month. I think it's doing really well. The next 3 things are the same products that I got in my other box, except I don't know if this is the same color. It is not. It is green. So why would you give a blue or a purplish bluish kind of lipstick and a green one? This one is called Midnight Wasabi. Again, I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use that. It is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, valued at $18. We have the Tubing Mascara from Elizabeth Mott, valued at $20. And then the Crown Brush Set, 5-piece face set, or not face set, eye set, for $34.95. So recapping really quick this box, we have these 3. We have the Fenty, the Elizabeth Mott, the brush set. We have the BoxyCharm palette, the Elemis face stuff. I'm excited for that. And then the Luscious face palette, which I really enjoyed this box. I think it did really, really good this month. And then let's show you really quick what was in this one. So the Elemis was the eye cream, not the face cream, it was the eye cream. And then the only other difference was the Fenty is a purple lipstick, and then the BoxyCharm is a different color. Let me pull that out real quick. So there is that palette that goes with this box, and then all the other items are the same. So if we had to say that the first box is box A, the one that I just unboxed with you is box A, and then the other one is box B, which one do you guys think was better this month? You guys, I don't even know how to judge this because, you know, I'm going to say box A. You know why? Because the colors in this BoxyCharm palette, I'm going to get a lot more use out of. And this is a face cream, not an eye cream. So I'm going to get a lot more use out of this. However, I really, really like this box. I love the fact that it's an Elemis eye cream because I will use that too. And this has very different, you can use this for a lot of different things. So, but I'm still going to say the box that we just unboxed, box A, is the winner. Which one do you guys think? I think they knocked it out of the park. They did a really good job. I love to see that I got variation 3 and 4. But let me know down below what you guys picked. What did you think of this month's premium boxes for BoxyCharm. Do you think it was worth it, and do you like them? Let me know. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.